Cathedral, are you ready for your question?
Yeah, I'm ready.
A little drop of water makes a mighty ocean. How many drops of rainfall do you need to make the mightiest ocean in circle? Calculate. Think about it. Think about it with your partner.
The June 4th one. It took about 500 drops.
500
cocos. But for now, circle is wider than before. So it will take about 1 billion cocos. It will, you have about Bonachina, maybe we say coco. So it will take about 300 decibel coco.
Wow, that is wrong. That is very wrong. One to me.
Sir, so flood is measured in coco. Like he said.
Yeah, cocos.
Yeah. So 1 co square plus Chongon is equal to Bebre. So to get the flood in circle. Please.
You can't come into
When a flood comes, plenty things will fall in the flood, including humans, dwarfs, and many things. You float. So it's what? Half a drop of cocoa
of water
over Chongon equal to the brain.
So half a drop of cocoa. Exactly, half a drop. You just need, when it rains at circle, you just need, or even if it doesn't rain.
Chongo is for lake. By calculating lake, you get Chongo.
When you put
If you put a stone.
All right, guys. All right. Settle down. We all know. Okay. -5 plus 2. All right. I gave you the right answer. I gave you. You were right. I gave you your. Shut up. Shut up. We all know circle when it even if it doesn't rain, 2 pure water cellars fall, and then their sachet waters fall on the ground flat. So you just need half cocos, and you guys were right on that.